Some breaking news just coming in. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has attacked the new Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. He says both Maharajas, Scindia and Air India, Bikaw was saleable. Listen in.
अब तो प्लेन बेच रहे हैं. अब प्लेन बेचने के लिए किसको दिए हैं? जो एयर इंडिया का प्लेन है उसे बेचने जा रहे हैं. उस मंत्रालय को दिया सिंधिया जी को. अब स्थिति क्या है? एयर इंडिया का लोगो क्या है? महाराजा. तो वो कह रहा है कि महाराजा आइए, हम दोनों बिकाऊ हैं. एयरपोर्ट भी और सिंधिया जी भी. तो एक बिकाऊ है, दूसरे संस्था को बेचने की जिम्मेदारी दी गई.
Sahil Joshi is getting us more details on that story. Sahil, those comments really coming in from the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh rather unwarranted, but this obviously is an attack on Scindia given the fact that he left the Congress for the BJP and of course, as we can see, has been duly rewarded.
Of course, I mean, it's a kind of a scathing attack by the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister, and it clearly looks like that the Congress has really taken it by heart that how because of Scindia they had to lose their cabinet in Madhya Pradesh. Their government was lost because of revolt by Jyotiraditya Scindia. It was absolutely completely unwarranted comment because he was asked about disinvestment in Air India. But while commenting on that, he clearly came on Jyotiraditya Scindia and called him sellable because when it comes to the disinvestment, he tried to draw a parallel between Scindia's moving into BJP and now becoming a minister in the Modi cabinet. At the same time, the Air India's disinvestment. So he tried to draw a parallel with that and called him a completely sellable creature. Bikaw is the word which he used in Hindi. It clearly looks like that the Congress has made up its mind now that the Scindia is not going to come back to the Congress. It looks like that their attack on Jyotiraditya Scindia is going to be more and more visible now, what we can see at this point of time.
All right, Sahil, be with us. We'll just come back to you for more. We're just going to listen into that sound bite of Bhupesh Baghel once again.
अब तो प्लेन बेच रहे हैं. अब प्लेन बेचने के लिए किसको दिए हैं? जो एयर इंडिया का प्लेन है उसे बेचने जा रहे हैं. उस मंत्रालय को दिया सिंधिया जी को. अब स्थिति क्या है? एयर इंडिया का लोगो क्या है? महाराजा. तो वो कह रहा है कि महाराजा आइए, हम दोनों बिकाऊ हैं. एयरपोर्ट भी और सिंधिया जी भी. तो एक बिकाऊ है, दूसरे संस्था को बेचने की जिम्मेदारी दी गई.
Sahil continues to be with us. Sahil, these comments, in fact, made by any political party, personal in nature and extremely, distasteful, never really works for the political neta, for the political party really, making these comments, isn't it?
Well, if you look at it, Bhupesh Baghel is not the only one who has made any kind of a comment against Jyotiraditya Scindia. It was Rahul Gandhi. Jyotiraditya Scindia was supposed to be one of the very close young Turks in the Congress to Rahul Gandhi. And Rahul Gandhi had made a remark during the last parliament session that Jyotiraditya Scindia has become a backbencher in the BJP, whereas when he was in the Congress, he was leading the Congress in the parliament. Whereas Jyotiraditya Scindia had also retorted to what Rahul Gandhi had said then. But it looks like that the congressmen are towing line from what Rahul Gandhi had commented about Jyotiraditya Scindia. Of course, the comment was a kind of a sarcastic tone when Rahul Gandhi made it. But this time, it's very clear that what the Congress is trying to imply in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, that Jyotiraditya Scindia sold himself to the opposition party and made the elected government of Congress fall in Madhya Pradesh. So it's very clear that the Congress attack on Jyotiraditya Scindia, now after he has become the minister after a long wait, it clearly looks like that it's going to continue the same way.
Absolutely. Expecting the BJP also, in fact, to respond. Certainly, it's given great deal of ammunition. Kailash Vijayvargiya is also with us. He's the General Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's also from Madhya Pradesh, from where ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया हेल्स। कैलाश विजयवर्गीय जी, ये बताइए आप इस स्टेटमेंट को कैसे देखते हैं? वो कहते हैं भूपेश बघेल कि सिंधिया बिकाऊ है, बिल्कुल एयर इंडिया की तरह।
देखिए, आदमी भले मुख्यमंत्री बन जाए, बाकी उसके बयानों से, उसके व्यक्तित्व से पता लगता है कि वो मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी पर बैठने लायक है या नहीं। और मैं समझता हूँ कि ये भूपेश बघेल जो सिंधिया जी के आगे पीछे घूमते थे, आज इस प्रकार के हल्के शब्दों का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, बिल्कुल भी उचित नहीं है। हम इनके बयान की निंदा करते हैं।
इस तरह के बयान क्यों आ रहे हैं? क्योंकि पहले भी जैसे राहुल गांधी ने ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया के खिलाफ ये कहा था कि वो बैक बेंचर हो गए हैं बीजेपी में जाके। आपको क्यों लगता है कि कांग्रेस ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स दे रही है?
देखिए सर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन है। आज कांग्रेस के काफी यूथ लीडर हैं जो नाराज हैं। आज उत्तर प्रदेश में एक यूथ लीडर बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, बाकी जगह पे आप देखेंगे तो यूथ लीडर सब कांग्रेस से नाराज है। तो कांग्रेस तो खुद पार्टी समझ नहीं पा रही है और फ्रस्ट्रेशन है। फ्रस्ट्रेशन में इस प्रकार की बयानबाजी।
All right, Kailash Vijayvargiya, shukriya हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. So you heard from the BJP saying that the Congress is frustrated. That statement, remember, has come in from the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister against Jyotiraditya Scindia. All right,